Hi everyone, welcome to another exciting video. So today I'm going to teach you how to attach these beautiful pearls as flowers to your bag. Okay, so I made the first one for a client and she came back requesting for the same bag for her best friend as a birthday gift. So you know how beautiful and classy it came out, and she would want to get same for her bestie. So please stick and stay so that you can also make your bag classy. Okay, yes, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to put this green fabric inside the bag so that you would know exactly which bead I'm working on. You get it? Because you know this color is very plain. So yes, this is how we are going to start our work. Yes, so you'll be needing your 0.6 mm fishing line, your scissors, and then of course your pearls. So this is a size 6. Okay, the pearls is size 6. And then let's get right into the video. You're going to cut your fishing line, and then you are going to work in the same to follow the same pattern as the ones you've already done. So this is the back cover we are working on, so it has to be in line with the ones down there. You get it? You're going to insert your fishing line like this, and then you're going to pick 3 beads. It is very simple, very simple. You're going to put one on your left and one on your right. Then you are going to cross with a 3rd bead. You are crossing with a 3rd bead. This is what we have. Then you're going to pick 2 beads, just 2, one on your right fishing line, and then you put one on your left fishing line. Then you are going to pick your right fishing line, this one, then insert it in this bead. Please, it is the bead that is directly opposite where we started. This is where we started. We are inserting in this bead. You get this one. So you are just going to insert it in, and then you pull. After pulling, this is what we have. Our flower has already formed. So we are going to make a knot. It is as simple as this. This is how it is done. This is how it is done. This is how it is done. So you are going to make 3 knots. So 3 knots. You are making 3 knots. 3 knots. Please make sure that you are pulling your knot very tight. Okay. And please, a gentle reminder that you should subscribe to this channel so that you get more easy tutorials like this. Okay, so yes, after the knot, you don't cut your fishing line. You are going to pass it through some beads before you cut. So you pick the down fishing line, pass it through this very bead like this, and then you pull. And then you're going to pick the other fishing line, pass it through this bead, and then with the help of your scissors you are going to pull it out like this. Then you pick that same fishing line, pass it through this bead. You are basically passing it through some beads so that you are securing your knots. And after that, I am going to teach you for the second time, as we are going to do another one so that you can be able to do it. I know even with the first one you've been able to do it, and you saw me cutting the edge of the fishing line because it was rough and I needed to cut to make it smooth. Okay, so that I can pass it through the beads like I am doing. Yeah, so and then we are going to cut very soon. Here, after passing it through this bead, we are going to pull it out like this and then cut. Yes, so we are done with the first one. We are picking this one again. You remember we left it there. You pass it through this bead and then you pull and cut. So to make the next one, you're going to count 3 beads from where we ended, and then you're going to put your fishing line there like this. So you are going to cut a new fishing line, of course, and then you put it there. After that, you are going to pick 3 beads again. You put one on your right fishing line, one on your left fishing line, and then you are going to cross with the third bead. You are crossing with the third bead, okay, like this. So yes, after that we are going to pick 2 beads, put one on our right fishing line and one on our left fishing line, like this. And once again, you see where we started, the bead that is directly opposite it, that is what we are going to insert the fishing line in, like this, like this, and then you pull. So yes, our flower has formed, and then we are going to make our knots. Please turn the work how you can turn it to make you comfortable, okay? When you're about to make your knots, please do that, and it will make it very easy for you. So this is it. It is very, very easy. After making the knot, please don't cut. Pass it through some beads before you cut. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and then give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and see you in our next exciting and insightful video. Yeah.